Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a Zen Seed Pack and grow a Garden Zen update. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you can go to this area and then you're going to go to the Zen shop. You can click on talk and then you can click on show me the Zen shop. Okay, and you can buy the Zen Seed Pack with your chi or the chi coins. Okay, and it needs 12 coins to get the Zen Seed Pack. And I'm going to tap on that and I'm going to buy it. Okay, and to get this chi, guys, you need to trade for chi. You need to submit your plant to this shop. Okay, you can click on take this plant and then he will give you chi. I'm going to submit one of my plant with the tranquil mutation. So only fruit or plant with tranquil mutation can be traded for the chi. Okay, I'm going to select my tranquil nectarine and I'm going to click on take this plant. Okay, and after that you will gain chi. And then guys, the chi coins that you will get from the trading will depend on the fruit that you submit to the Zen shop. And I recommend you to submit high value fruit so you will get more chi coins. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.